Today we're going to go over estimation. Our I can statement for estimation will be, I can use front-end estimation to complete math equations. Tavon, give me an example of why you may use estimation in real life.
Okay, something like a math problem, like 30 plus 10. You're going to have to estimate and change and make it. Oh, I forgot.
Can you help them out there, Sierra?
Let's say you're at the grocery store and you have to add up your total. The estimation is now the closest way you can get to what it is.
Exactly. Some for Tavon, you like sports. So let's say LeBron James had 28 points tonight, had 40 points tomorrow. So you know that's like 68 points. And he had 30 points the following game. So you're at 68, so there's 98 points. Estimate, he has 98 points. Estimate what he had. You have to round it up, right? So 98 rounded up is what? The closest 10. 100. So you say those 3 games you had 100 points. Another thing is, we'll see her a touchdown. You like to shop. You got all nice shoes. You always have Jordans. You have Nikes. All you guys do. If your mom said, Miara, you want a new outfit for Christmas? How much do you think it's going to cost? You're not going to tell her it's going to be $46.24, right? You're going to say probably $50, right? If it's above 5, you always round. If it's below 4 or below, you go down. Exactly. All right. First problem we have on our page today is we have 55 plus 31. So first thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at which place, the ones or the tens?
The ones.
The ones, exactly. So we're looking at the ones place, this is the tens. So
that 5 right there is going to turn into it's going to go up because
Right.
5 can go down.
it's going to round to what, Tavon?
10,
So technically it rounds to what number?
6,
60. Miara, this is a what?
1,
So is it round up or down?
down,
So it rounds to what?
0.
10, so it rounds to 30. Yeah, I'm sorry. So if I told you to round to the nearest 10, and it's 55 plus 30, it's estimation, you're rounding, it comes out to what? 0 plus 0?
80. No, 90.
90, very good. So Miara, give me an example of a time you used estimation in your real life.
I use estimation when I buy something, I know the cost.
Okay. So if you go to football games or basketball games, any high school basketball games, any football games? Okay. Middle school games. Okay, so mom, you say, Mom, I want to get some popcorn and a Coke. Mom would say, how much is it? You say, I don't know, just give me how much. So you say, just give me $20. Mom gives you $20? You give her back all the change? Now you keep it?
I've got to.
Yeah, I know.
With my change.
I don't doubt it with you, Mom.
I'll be like, no, come with change. She will give me my change.
Your mom, I don't doubt that with your mom. All right. One thing I used to do when I taught the high school kids was I would switch colors. Some of you guys are a little bit more advanced than the high school kids. So what we would do is the ones place was always green. You get what I'm doing? The tens place was always red. And then the hundreds was always black. So my kids got to know the colors. Now I didn't use those specific colors, but what I'll tell you it helps is, if I give you this number, okay, so now all of a sudden, you guys see why I switch colors? Because if I say, Sierra, identify what numbers are in the tens place. Is it easy to identify those?
Yeah, 5 and 3.
Exactly. Tavon, identify the numbers in the ones place.
3. I mean,
It's good.
1.
Yeah,
Green.
okay. It's the green. Miara, what's in the hundreds place? Black, exactly. So what that does is that allows you guys, and I don't know if Mrs. Cameron does this, but it allows you guys, it's easier to identify. Because now with a 3-digit number, I can say, Sierra, we are just going to round the tens place. We're just gonna round the tens place. How can you round the tens place? You just look to the number to the what? Immediately to the,
3.
to the right. You always wanna look to the number immediately to the right. Because if I said Taiwan, we're gonna round the hundreds place, which numbers are in the hundreds?
The 4 and the 6.
Because you know that because it's black. So what number are you gonna look at to round the 4 and the 6?
5. We're going to cuss out the 5 and make it a 4. Yeah, make a 4 and then add that up.
So why don't you guys on your paper real quick with all of our pencils? You have your pencil? Here we go. I'm gonna give you guys, grab a pencil. Why don't you guys right now on your papers, go ahead and do this one on your own. This pencil doesn't have a sharpener.
I believe that.
You use this. Yara, you can
Just
use,
pass it around.
Yara, you can use a pen, sweetie, right? Here you go, sweetie. So go ahead and do this problem on your own, and then whoever gets done, put your pencil down so I know you're done.
55.
So we're gonna round, I wanna round the number to the nearest hundred, I'm sorry. So we're rounding the nearest hundred here. So what color are we looking at?
We're looking at the red.
Bingo, good job. You already following along, honey? You understand what we're doing? Okay, we're rounding to the nearest hundred. What numbers are the hundred? So are we gonna round this? Look at this number right here. Let me our answer. Are we gonna round this to 400 or 500? We're rounding this number, we're looking here. Why are we rounding it to 500? And it's perfect. That's exactly right. So Miara said this goes to 500. Taiwan, now we're changing this number, but we're looking at this number.
It's going to be an estimate form.
Mhm.
It's going to be
It's either going to be 600 or 700. Which one's it going to be?
that's going to be 600.
Perfect. Good job.
So it's going to be 10,000.
No, it's going to be 1,100.
1,100. What you guys want to do is, I'll give you a little cheat sheet.
1,000.
If you're gonna change, here's what I would do, and I taught my kids this in high school, and some of them would do it. If you're always looking to the number to the right, okay? So if we're gonna look around to the nearest 10, here, we're changing this, but we're looking at this, okay? So you guys get the number underlined is what we're changing, the number with the arrows is what we're basing on. You always look the number to the immediate right. Now if I said, what if I had this number right here? I said, round, what number would we look at to change? All these zeros don't mean anything, do they? Go ahead, Sierra.
We would look at the 7 and change it, so
Right.
it would be 5 to
Yeah, five whatever, you're right. That's exactly what it would be, good job. You guys have any questions at all? You guys seem like you have a pretty good understanding of this, good job. All right.